Let's go ahead and review Illow. It lets you make your website privacy compliant with a user-friendly cookie banner. Get 10% off Appsumo lifetime deal in every deal. Details in description below. Illow is a cookie banner that makes your website compliant with GDPR, CCPA, LGPD, and data privacy regulations in just a few minutes. With Illow, you can display a branded cookie banner that's also tailored to each visitor, based on their location, browser language, and regional legislation. Because all data requests are adjusted to match the user's local privacy regulations, you can be confident that every user has the rights specific to their local laws. It's super simple to make your site compliant with all data privacy regulations. Just copy and paste the code or integrate the free WordPress plugin. Best of all, Illow automatically updates your cookie and privacy policies in the event of any law changes. Plus, you'll be able to seamlessly create, link, or attach your existing policies to your banner, giving you more of a hands-on approach. Automatically categorize all cookies using Illow's library of over 50,000 cookies, sparing you from hours of mind-numbing scrolling and tedious manual sorting. You'll also be able to allow users to organize, centralize, and manage their data in 9 different ways, including data deletion, data portability, and a full information request. Customize your data request form with additional questions to gather visitor feedback and create a better user experience. And because Illow stores every consent in a comprehensive cookie consent log, you'll always have proof of compliance for any privacy audit. You'll also be able to allow users to organize, centralize, and manage their data in 9 different ways, including data deletion, data portability, and a full information request. Customize your data request form with additional questions to gather visitor feedback and create a better user experience. And because Illow stores every consent in a comprehensive cookie consent log, you'll always have proof of compliance for any privacy audit. Using Illow's consent optimization mode, you can decide if you want to show consent banners exclusively to visitors in required countries, or to all visitors with a single click. You'll also be able to block all cookies and scripts until the user consents, in case your online business needs to comply with the highest possible privacy standards. Plus, this platform offers a CCPA compliance regulation mode, so you can display a banner dedicated to California users without activating complicated scripts or cookie policies. When you've got a dynamic cookie banner on your site, staying compliant is easier than making cookies from Betty Crocker's cookie mix. I have no idea how this works, but I love it. With Illow, you get an all-in-one cookie banner and consent management platform that automates privacy operations, so you can make